Welcome to the 5-Minute Diet, Health and Fitness Tips channel. This is where we give you great tips that are easy to work into your everyday life. Make sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss future videos. A lot of people think that your life expectancy is mostly determined by your genes. Genes actually play a much smaller role than scientists originally believed. It turns out that environmental factors like diet and lifestyle are key. At the beginning of the 20th century, the average life expectancy in North America was just under 50 years old. Today, one can expect to reach the age of 80 or older. This huge increase has little to do with genes and everything to do with advances in public health and healthy lifestyles. We all have the chance to change many things that influence our health and how long we live. Here are some steps to follow that will help you have the longest, healthiest life possible. Number 1. Don't smoke. This seems very evident, but it is certainly the most important thing you can do to increase your longevity, as smoking is strongly linked to disease and early death. If you smoke, you may lose up to 10 years of your life, and you are 3 times more likely to die prematurely than those who have never smoked. It is never too late to quit. People who quit smoking by age 35 can add up to 8 years to their lives. Even quitting smoking in your 60s can prolong your life by up to 3.7 years. Number 2. Build a strong social network. Research has shown that maintaining healthy social networks can help you live up to 50% longer. Having as few as 3 social ties may decrease your risk of early death by more than 200%. Having a healthy social network leads to positive changes in heart, brain, hormonal, and immune function, which contributes to decreasing your risk of chronic diseases. It also helps you deal better with stress and has a positive effect on one's lifespan. Another study reports that providing support to others may be more beneficial than receiving it yourself. Number 3. Stay physically active. This is also another point that may seem obvious, but should be mentioned. Staying physically active can keep you healthy and add extra years to your life. It doesn't take a lot. As little as 15 minutes of exercise per day will help you achieve benefits. This could include adding an additional 3 years to your life and decrease the chance of premature death by 4%. People who exercise the recommended 150 minutes per week were 28% less likely to die early. This number increased to 35% for those who exercised beyond the 150-minute guideline. Number 4. Reduce your stress and anxiety. Both anxiety and stress can significantly decrease your lifespan. Women who suffer from stress or anxiety are reportedly up to 2 times more likely to die from heart disease, stroke, or lung cancer. Similarly, the risk of premature death is up to 3 times higher for stressed men compared to women. Some key components to reduce stress include regular exercise, meditation, deep breathing, laughter, and optimism. Studies have shown that people who are pessimistic have a 42% higher risk of early death than people who are optimistic. Try to maintain an optimistic outlook on life, laugh and exercise more. Take time to meditate and reach out to someone for help when you feel stressed. Number 5. Moderate your alcohol intake. It is well known that heavy alcohol consumption is linked to heart, liver, and pancreatic disease, and overall increases risk of an early death. However, moderate consumption can reduce the likelihood of several diseases, as well as decrease your risk of premature death by 17 to 18%. Wine is considered especially beneficial due to its high content of polyphenol antioxidants. Wine is especially protective against heart disease, diabetes, neurological disorders, and metabolic syndrome. Results from a 3-decade study showed that men who preferred wine were 34% less likely to die early than those who preferred beer or spirits. Moderate consumption of alcohol in women is recommended for 1 to 2 units per day, and a maximum of 7 per week. Men's daily intake should be less than 3 units per day, with a maximum of 14 per week. There is no conclusive research that indicates that the benefits of moderate drinking are greater than those of abstaining from alcohol. But if you do drink alcohol, maintaining a moderate intake may help prevent disease and prolong your life, with wine being particularly beneficial. Number 6. Develop a good sleeping pattern. Sleep is crucial for regulating cell function and helping your body recover and heal. It is essential that your sleep routine includes 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night, which will help you live longer. Sleeping too little, such as less than 5 to 7 hours per night, increases your risk by 12% of early death. Too little sleep can promote inflammation and increase your risk of diabetes, heart disease, and obesity. On the other hand, sleeping more than 8 to 9 hours per night could also decrease your life expectancy by up to 38%. Excessive sleep is linked to depression, low physical activity, and undiagnosed health conditions, all of which may negatively affect your life expectancy. Studies conclude that longevity is likely linked to regular sleeping patterns. Going to bed and waking up around the same time each day with the right amount of sleep is the key to adding years to your life. Number 7. Eat a healthy diet. There is a lot of information on food that is healthy for you and what will help you extend your lifespan. We will cover a few of the areas that we feel are important, but encourage you to continue your research into how to build the ideal diet for your goal and lifestyle. Try adding some nuts into your daily diet. They are rich in protein, fiber, and antioxidants. They are also a great source of vitamins and minerals, such as potassium, magnesium, folate, niacin, and vitamins B6 and E. One study determined that people who consumed at least 3 servings of nuts per week had a 39% lower risk of premature death. Ensure to include a wide variety of plant foods in your diet. Foods such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, seeds, and beans help decrease disease risk and promote longevity. These plant foods contain nutrients and antioxidants, which include polyphenols, carotenoids, folate, and vitamin C. Several studies link vegetarian and vegan diets, which are naturally higher in plant foods, to a 12 to 15% lower risk of premature death. The same studies also reported a 29 to 52% lower risk of dying from cancer, heart, kidney, or hormone-related diseases. Consider spicing up your meals with turmeric. It contains a bioactive compound called curcumin, which has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Curcumin is known to help maintain heart, brain, and lung function, as well as protect against cancers and other age-related diseases. Number 8. Be happy. Feeling happy has many positive effects, and one is that it can greatly increase your longevity. One study showed that happier individuals had a 3.7% reduction in early death over a 5-year study period. Another study concluded that people who felt happiest at 22 years of age were 2.5 times more likely to still be alive 6 decades later. A review of 35 studies showed that happy people may live up to 18% longer than their less happy counterparts. Many times throughout the day, we all have a choice of the mood we want to be in. Choosing to be happy will not only brighten your day, but add years to your life. Thanks for watching our video. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did like it, please hit the like button. Don't miss out on future videos and subscribe to our channel.